I'm excited. Today we are going for an exciting trip or an exciting tour to one of the most beautiful national parks in Uganda, and that is none other than Kibale Forest National Park. Yes, welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia Mnene, an entrepreneur based in Uganda, Kampala. My channel is about travel and affiliate marketing, and I've recorded a number of videos about travel, Uganda tourism, East Africa, Africa, as well as affiliate marketing. So please go ahead and watch those videos. Like I mentioned, today I've come share with you a 3 days safari or tour to Kibale Forest National Park for chimpanzee trekking. Yes, chimpanzee trekking is one of the most exciting tourist activities in the world, I must say. Yes, because like in Uganda, you track these chimpanzees in their natural habitat. I've been to Kibale Forest National Park, and before you even go for chimpanzee trekking, sometimes we call it chimp trekking, just the canopy of the forest. Wow, it's beautiful. It's so calming. When you're there, you feel calm because of the beautiful nature. And in Uganda, like I mentioned, Kibale Forest National Park is where mostly chimpanzee tracking is done, but chimpanzee tracking in Uganda is also done in Murchison Falls National Park and Queen Elizabeth National Park. But Kibale Forest National Park, it has the biggest number of chimpanzees, and it's the most exciting. Yes, and there are many chimpanzees here. Chimpanzees live in families, and the chimpanzees are our closest relatives. Yes, they are 98%. They have 98% of human DNA. So you can imagine, maybe the difference between human beings and these beautiful apes is because they don't talk. Yes, and in Uganda we have gorilla tracking and chimpanzee tracking, but the difference between, one thing I know about chimpanzees and gorillas is that chimpanzees are smaller than gorillas, and they are more playful. They interact more as compared to the gorillas, though the gorillas also have their beautiful parts. Yes, so like our day one, you are picked from your residence or from the airport, depending on how your itinerary has been arranged, or from your residence, airport, or from your hotel where you're staying. That is day one. So day one is a travel day. You travel. The journey will take you maybe almost a whole hour, not because the distance is very far, not because the road is bad, the road is good, but because tourists are taken at an optimum speed, that is 80 kilometers per hour. It is a leisurely travel, so there is no need to rush or drive 100 kilometers per hour. So normally tourists are taken at 80 kilometers per hour, that is an optimum speed. So it will take you a longer time to reach your destination. And we have also scheduled flights if you're not interested in going by road. But me, I would prefer going by road, because those roads to the western part of Uganda, they have, you will have views, good landscapes, good as in good vegetation, good landscapes, like I mentioned. Yes, so when you go by road, you cannot get tired. Western part of Uganda is beautiful. Yes, and that is our day one. You travel. So when you reach Kibale Forest National Park, you check in at your residence where you're going to stay, your hotel, your lodge, depending on what you have booked or what your tour operator has booked. So that is our day one. Day two, early in the morning after breakfast, you will be picked by your guide or driver from your residence to the briefing area. Before going for this chimpanzee trekking, you have a briefing. They'll brief you on the do's and don'ts and what to expect while you're trekking for these beautiful apes. So you're divided into groups of about 7, yes, and you're given a guide who will take you around, who will explain to you. These are experienced guides. Most of these guides have done this for years, So they have the experience and the I believe they actually and they are really informative. And when you reach out there viewing these apps, you're given at most 1 hour to interact with these apps, these chimpanzees. Sometimes we call them chimps. So the trekking takes between 3 to 4 hours. Yes, that is, and the trekking in Kibale Forest National Park is done twice, in the morning and in the afternoon. So you either go for the morning or afternoon. Maybe if you're going for the habituation experience, where you will see the back side of these, you will stay with these animals more. You will have more time with these animals. So that is the first activity on day 2. Then in the afternoon, you will go for a village walk into the swamp, and here you will have to see different kinds of wildlife, different kinds of birds, and also village walks. Like I mentioned, village walks, you'll see the way these people live, their culture, their families. You will learn more about the surrounding communities of Kibale Forest National Park. So that is our day 2. Then after the activities, you go back to your residence hotel, have some rest as you prepare to travel the following day back to Kampala or Entebbe, depending on where you're staying or how your itinerary is. So that is our day 2. And then day 3, you travel from Kibale Forest National Park back to Kampala. And like I mentioned in the beginning, this is a travel day, and you'll travel and you're taken to the airport if your flight is that same day. If your itinerary says hotel, then you will be taken to your hotel or residence, depending on where you were picked from. So that is our trip that I wanted to share with you. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're excited like I am. Me just talking about it, I get excited. Yes, I get excited. So that is our trip that I wanted to share with you. And I record videos, I upload videos twice in a week. That is on Monday 8:30 p.m. East Africa time, and Friday 8:30 p.m. East Africa time, and I premiere them. Please come along as I premiere them. I'm always there, and you advise me where I need advice. Yes, you advise me where I need advice. You guide me where I need guidance. You credit me where I need to be credited. Yes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've hit that red subscribe button. If you have not yet, please check. Don't forget, check and hit it and click on it and subscribe to this channel for more videos about travel, about Uganda tourism, East Africa, Africa, and holidays world over, as well as affiliate marketing. So thank you for coming along. I'm excited. I'm happy. Yes, so I wish you well. I wish you healthy. Please stay healthy so that you can travel tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited. Bye-bye.